Okay, bring your boat, get your jet ski, get ready to see this beautiful, like new home, completely remodeled in 2023. It's lakefront, it is in Eagle Lake, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go take a look. When you first walk in this home, get ready to get your socks knocked off with these views. It is absolutely mind-blowing. This open kitchen has quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. The luxury vinyl plank flooring is throughout. And when you walk straight into this home, you're gonna see beautiful lakefront views and all the windows. They have really featured the water throughout this home. The master bedroom is absolutely stunning with the views it has.